We're packing. Boom, vegetables from the garden. Ooh, abundance. I'm almost done. It's taking days. Box. Bed. Fridge. Camper. Let's see here. That's where we're going. Solar panels, water. All done, all ready to go. Okay. Here we go. Now for the sad part. Goodbye, Cone. Oh, you got Mama's shoe? What's wrong with you? Goodbye, Cone. I love you. Goodbye, meow. Goodbye, kid. I love you, okay? I will miss you. Remember me, okay? Okay, I'm sweaty, but I think we're ready. Bye, Cone. $1,200 miles. We're going. Let us pray for a safe journey and most of all, safety. Gorgeous. Beautiful Illinois. We're back, baby! On the road, on the highway, let's go! First stop. A little bit of gasoline. Fuel. Mississippi, west of the Mississippi. Oh, that's a big river. Oh! This trip and this move has really been stressing me out for like a while now, like a couple months. So far, so good. Hopefully we make it there smoothly. But already it feels good to be on the move and have everything with me and packed and ready to go. I feel like sometimes things take so much work and so much time to get to, and it's so like painful or stressful that you forget what you're going for. And now that I'm in the car on the move, it feels like I remember what I'm going for. And that is adventure and new opportunities and friendship and life. And seeing this big world out here. And challenging myself to become stronger in so many ways, you know? Because you gotta challenge yourself. It's easy to be comfortable. Even this summer when I was working 2 jobs, I was like, all right, I can do this now. It was just punching the clock. But that was a good challenge. And now it's time for another one. And it's beautiful. Hopefully, a part of the mystery of life reveals itself during this adventure and during this challenge. If I didn't explain this yet in the video, I'm going out to New Mexico to live with a friend and do some work, building and homesteading and something of the sort. Hopefully learn a lot of skills about building and living off-grid and make some money too, hopefully. And learn more about our huge, beautiful country that we have here in the middle of North America. But yeah, that's what I'm going for. Hopefully all goes smooth. We're working. We're rolling. But no reason to ever count our chickens before they hatched. We're taking this one step at a time. And we're just working on making it down the road. The sun setting over the land of wind. We ride into the night to our destiny in the distance. Gas number 2, Iowa. 300 miles in or something like that. 300. Check the haul. Milk. Yeah. Gas number 3. Just outside of Kansas City. Cracker Barrel. Pulling in for the night. Time to sleep. Okay, we're in bed. This is a quick tour. Bed, fridge, fan, stuff, front seat, box. Good night. See you tomorrow. No window shades. We're going raw. You see that? That's the sun rising. That means it's time. It's time to roll. Okay. Day 2. It's beautiful here in Missouri. Looking good. Here we go. Goodbye, Cracker Barrel. Thank you again. See you later. We're getting on the highway. We gotta hit the jets. Yeah, baby, get up to speed. Oh, yeah. 54. Oh, yeah. 60 mile an hour. 7 in the morning. Yeah, baby. Kansas City. And the sun is coming up over there. Yeah. Oh, shit. What river is this? Kansas City River. Oh! Oh! Beautiful river moment. Oh, shit. Okay, okay. Stay cool, stay cool. Good morning, world. Yes. Again. Milk. Pretty good. That is a big boy. Go on, get out of here. Kansas. This is what it looks like. Machine farm. Look at that erosion. The earth is just flying away. Okay, wanna check this out? We got the engine, motor temperatures all on deck. Custom setup. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Whoa. They're everywhere! They're everywhere! Gas number 675. Cruise. Still in Kansas.
And cyanescence is like this sine wave. So here is a wild psilocybe cyanescence patch. There's lichens, there's moss, there's a complex microbiome, but you can see how blue the stems are.
Ooh, the dustiness. Look at all those trucks. Rest in peace to these boys and girls. I hope they're having a good day in their little square. Or at least that they had a good life. Where's the grass? Where's the grass? Damn. Where's the grass? Cows for infinity. Cattle empire. Rest in peace to all those beautiful animals. Rest in peace. Oh shit. I think those are chicken barns or hog barns or whatever they are. But that shit stinks. safety on the Caterpillar. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Looks pretty good from here. Hope that was a good rest for you, car.
I'm fully aware of your body.
So you're doubled.
There's two of me now.
Yeah.
And I said, if anything happens, they wanted to stop and squeeze my thigh. You kind of shoot up like a rocket. And here's this rocket going into space, and you're right there on the go.
Welcome to Love's. Oh! Oh! Can you see what I see? Our first mountain, yeah! We're in New Mexico, baby. I think we still got, what, 200 miles left? Yup. That looks a little angry. We're almost to our stop tonight. Staying at a rest stop. Driving in the dark, in the rain. Oh, the moon's coming out. This is where we're staying for the night. It's so quiet. It's in the middle of nowhere. See that though? It's the moon. Over and out. Good night from the spot. Good night. It's officially morning. Day 3. Day 3. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We got big rain last night. I hope nothing got wetty. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, and I have this whole place to myself. Yeah. Day 3, 3 hours away. The land of enchantment. I'm enchanted. If that's not enchantment, I don't know what is. Fuel up number 11-7. Oh, he was going potty. Exposed. Yeah. Let's go. Las Vegas, New Mexico. Oh yeah, baby. Rolling slow. Stunning, gorgeous, beautiful, infinity. Life is unlimited. It's beautiful. Gas. Echoes River Station. First cactus. Thing's huge. I'm turning onto the road. I'm on the official road. 8 miles. Narrow road. We're getting into it. It's looking beautiful. Beautiful. Prius. Yeah. Let's go. We can do it too. Pavement ends. Here we go. The final test. Oh shit. 5 miles left. Yeah! Let's go traction. Let's go traction. Gorilla grip on the ground. Following Tyler home. Hello, tree. Nice to see you too. No trespassing. Thanks.
I'm gonna go close the gate.
Cool.
Maybe you wanna park?
We're about to park it. Let's find our spot. Okay. First night is coming in. Dogs are with me. Oh. They're so sleepy. Camper. That's a beautiful sight. You know how it's rocking. A mess from the trip, but we're in one piece. Time to get organized. Okay, clean enough. Successful trip. 1,300 miles, 3 days, no problems. 25 miles per gallon. Unlimited trees. Splinter in the toe? Ouch. Good energy ball? Accept it. Collect it. Good night. First cook up in the campy. First day review. I think it's a miracle. I think this went as well as it could have gone. Damn, it feels good to sit down. It feels good to sit down.